Monthly Param Nivedan for 2024 July to be successful with the power and grace of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 1 to 8. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charanam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो। सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करता हूँ। Paprava 9. Param ji, please empower this monthly Param Nivedan with your divine power so that July becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Bestow me more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry, and work. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decrease. I will use the money in righteous way and also to spread P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become wealthier, progress in business, I am and will remain humble before Paramji and all P3Y Kartas and will also spare some time for P3Y. May chartered accountant etc. remain in my favor. I will attend income enhancement P3Y class on Thursday. In July, may my development in material aspects of life becomes faster. I achieve all my goals and my hampered work gets through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papr and the Papr I make others to do during this month gets fulfilled. Bestow me with fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent P3Y Pracharak and will find the devotees of Paramji. I will offer Good Luck Papra Card GLPC to maximum people in my area for 1 to 10 hours in a week under Mission Samriddhi by P3Y Shakti. I will report to Dr. Ajit about my P3Y Prachar work on every Wednesday and on the last day of the month. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be good harvest, quality and production of milk in the cattle would increase. I will tell businessmen that by P3Y Shakti, your business will increase and there will be less effect of recession. Give me courage to spread P3Y in unknown people. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect P3Y and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from P3Y class. I am an honest, obedient, brave P3Y Karta and will strive to make others as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this month, July, the season of monsoon. Increase my immunity power. May I don't have diarrhea, rain-borne disease, etc. If I become sick, may I be cured with Papra water. I will attend disease prevention P3Y class on the last Sunday of the month. Make my mind and intellect pleasant for me and P3Y. I will do Param Yog daily 3 times, routine Param Yog, and 3 or more times special Param Yog. Give me good intellect. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Please help me to remove the weaknesses of my mind. May I get divine experiences in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work that I do. I will attend Paramji Dhyan class. Give intelligence to do logical prachar of P3Y in July. I will inform people that keep following your God and religion but P3Y power will accomplish any stuck work. You will get relief in illness and income will increase. I will inform people to attend 7 a.m., 7 p.m. daily online and weekly online P3Y class on P3Y THF channel or other branch channels. I will offer Good Luck Papr card, will teach Papr Param Yog to people in distress in my country as well as abroad. I will keep telling the three Mahasutra, the great slogans of P3Y. First, the truth. P3Y Shakti fulfills desires. There is no place in the world where P3Y doesn't work. Second, eligible persons should be honest, obedient, and brave. Be happy and make others happy. Keep attending P3Y class. Keep coming to Umargam. Third, Jai Ghosh, Bina Prachar, Nahi Uddhar. Without propagation, no salvation. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful, and caring towards each other. May I not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memory for studies. May they get good marks in exams. Give me good intellect so that I impart good values, teach the truth and P3Y technique to my children. I will make them recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra Diksha. To increase prosperity in our family, I will take Param Lakshmi Mantra Diksha. I will read P3Y Garbh Gita. Bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitrudosh, Vastudosh, and other related problems. Protect me and my family from hurdles such as all kind of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accompaniment, financial crisis, accidents, fire, earthquake, storm, flood, other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. I will tell people that whosoever will do the holy pilgrimage of Umargam, their Pitrudosh will be removed, ancestors will get peace. May I do not face critical situations. If I face any, may I be able to overcome with P3Y power. Paramji has empowered Umargam as PDME place, Kumbh place. Whosoever will do the holy pilgrimage of Umargam P3Y center, their wishes will be fulfilled faster. True P3Y power seeker, hardcore P3Y Karta will continue to do this holy pilgrimage of Umargam as per the Adesh of Paramji alias His Holiness. I will attend Umargam PDME Yatra P3Y class July 7, Sunday, 9 a.m. I will stay in Umargam for a few days as per convenience for more benefits. I will inform on mobile number +91 884 99 69887 before coming to Umargam P3Y center. Paramji Bhakti Mas. Paramji New Samvat 31 is starting from July 16. Paramji New Samvat 31st, Paramji Pratik Coin Pujan P3Y class 7 a.m. I will do Umargam PDME Yatra in this Bhakti Mas and gain special power. I will listen to the significance of all P3Y black days during Bhakti Mas. I will stay in Umargam from 2 to 12 days as per convenience to gain more P3Y power. Guru Purnima P3Y Mahotsav class, July 21, Sunday, 1 p.m. Venue, Rustampura SMC Community Hall, Surat. I will be the host this big P3Y class as much as possible. I will lovingly celebrate all P3Y festival classes mentioned in the P3Y calendar. I will attend Masik Shivratri class July 4, Amas July 5, Paramji Julus July 14. In the 2 to 3 minutes YouTube videos on P3Y question answer, Dr. Ajit has answered many queries. I will watch those videos. In June, Mayur Panchal in UK, Pratyush Bhatt in Panipat, Haryana, Prabhukar Sharma ji in Pratapgarh, UP, and Ravindra Pal Singh ji in Badaun, UP, organized a good P3Y Prachar Yatra. I will also take inspiration from them and organize a P3Y Prachar Yatra in my area. I offer my destiny of July to the holy feet of Paramji, alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. I will share this monthly Param Nivedan in one or more persons, will do good work, will serve P3Y Kartas, have respect for them, and will have pleasant behavior towards all in this month. I will keep the P3Y center clean. I will obey Paramji Adesh. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful, humble and brave than I am at present. May I have better month with P3Y Shakti. If any serious problem occurs, I will contact Dr. Ajit on mobile number +91 81607 11859 on WhatsApp. Paprava 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give money in whichever currency you earn. Decide the amount on your own to Paramji alias His Holiness, or will offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will offer P3Y Good Luck Papra card to one new person. I will attend one online P3Y class. I will visit P3Y website p3ythf.com. I will send 1 to 2 minute video or audio about my miraculous P3Y experience through Facebook or WhatsApp. I will be annual member of monthly magazine P3Y Param Gyan. I offer this monthly Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji alias His Holiness.